Hey everyone, so today I have this paper pad that I've pulled out. It's a really bright and summery one. It's got 48 pages. It's 12 by 12. I'll leave details of it down below. I'm going to do a quick flick through. It starts off with that lovely tag page. We've got these green stripes. Flicking through to this, well, it's like a sprinkle sheet, purple and pink. Then we have this kind of, I'm calling it a word puzzle page. We've got some beautiful cacti, going into some more geometrical shape. So really good with some maybe background papers, and this some more geometrical shapes, birds, these pink birds. We're actually coming up to my favorite page, which is this one. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this page. I'm gonna try not to hoard it and to use it, but I just love the pink flowers and the birds. We've got some polka dots, we have some square dots on a black and white page. We've got these also cut aparts, happiness, good vibes only, I heart donuts, listen to your heart, some more stripes, blue polka dots, lovely black and white leaves, some pink polka dots, and then this other one that I find really gorgeous with the houses, cacti and the llamas. And then this one with this kind of bright yellow and the kind of, I don't know, the peachy leaves. And then some more geometrical patterns. It's got quite a lot of geometrical shapes in here. So I think it's a really good one. Oh, we're back at the beginning again. So there are two sets, I believe, of each sheet. And yeah, so I'm going to be showing you now my first project. After choosing that gorgeous paper pad, I've actually put together the camera die that I've been absolutely so excited to use, and this is the shell that I have so far. So I have used some of the Amazon packaging in between and made a kind of sandwich, if you see there. And then I've selected one of the papers from the pack, the one with the houses. I've already decorated the spine with the pink paper. Absolutely love the tone of this paper. I love the brightness of it. And then I've just covered the inside with some of that precision textured card stock in the cream colour. And then I have the same pattern paper on the back. Just already started, couldn't resist already starting to decorate with some of this pink pom-pom trim. So I've just put that there to neaten up the edges of where the two papers meet. And then you can also see I've already started to put together my shaker. So I wanted to have a shaker in the middle. I was going to put a picture. I might still do it, I'm not sure. But I kind of like the way that it's framed, that cactus. I had this sequin mix that I made up the other day. If you've seen my video for that 1-year-old sort of a birthday card slash album, you'll see that I made that up on then, but I think it really complements. It's got the pinks and the peaches. I could actually inject some lime green if I had it, but I don't think I have any lime green sequins or beads. I might have a double check. So I'm going to make this centerpiece into a shaker. I've already cut out the pages. The only decision that I need to make with the pages is whether or not I want to back. So what I've done is I've cut the pages out. Let's turn it around. And these are the pages that I've selected. So you can see that I've interwoven some pastel colours from, I will link all the paper pads that I've used in the description below, but I've just interweaved it with a coloured and then a pattern and then a coloured, and I'm just deciding whether to stick the coloured on the back, which will obviously thicken up the page and make them much thicker, or whether to leave them single paged and then I'll have a lot more pages, or I can cut some more pages actually. So yeah, I still need to decide that, but I just wanted to show you how far I've got so far. with making my first project from that beautiful paper pad. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I will be back to show you how this turned out. So if you like this type of video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed and you did enjoy the video, you can subscribe and press the bell so that you can be notified for when my upcoming videos have been posted. So guys, thank you for watching. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.